He thinks he has to lead alone. Well, because his father had to. He doesn't realize the strength we have together. Do you still believe in him?
Of course. I wish he did. But he thinks he's nothing without Toothless.
Then help him realize the truth.
To the Chief and Chiefess!